Hi guys, today a subscriber told me show me how I can clean my ps3 without taking it apart, and I'm like, I'll make a video. It's very easy. Like, all you need is a vacuum cleaner. You know where I'm heading, right? Yeah, you should know. If you don't, go back to school. Okay, so should have made this longer. Okay, so here I have my vacuum cleaner. Actually have one of these clips just so you don't just mess up your PS3. So the first thing you'll do is back here are the fans. If you don't know, you're stupid and go back to school. Okay, so back here are the fans. Okay, right back here. And here, all you can do is go just like that with like a couple times, so it could clean. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay. And after you're done with that step, here what it is, if any dust came in, you'll take it out, because here are the fans, and sometimes dust comes in and it traps the fans, and the fans can't push the hot air out, so the console will get even more hotter. Okay, then here I can see some dust. I don't know if the camera can right here, but I can. Let me just make this a tad bit taller. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, right here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's dust right there. Here is where it comes in through. So dust can go in there. Now let's clean that part. Turn on on the top too. Okay, just give it a few things. Then in the front too, there's some dust right there too. So clean that part, and just other side too. Okay. Okay, and after you're done with that part, just give it a few, Okay, then after you're done with that, open it and clean the inside. Be careful not to rub this part on the lens. That could be kind of dangerous and can actually hurt the lens, and it can't read a disc. Okay, then after you're done, this part should come out to the back. Like, if it doesn't, you gotta push hard and pull it out. Sorry guys, sorry because my hands got kind of wet. When I open this, I'll just show you. I'm back. Sorry. All you need to do is you pass some pressure and just take it out, and you take it out. Just the plastic. Here is your hard drive. So just clean that part, just in case, right? Okay. It was kind of dusty, so. So after you clean all that part, that's all, just, oh yeah, sorry, just make sure the clips are facing like that inwards, and just go just like that. And it should clip on. Yeah, it should clip right on. If it doesn't, that's messed up. Oh, sorry, someone. There we go. There we go. Just make it click. Sorry. And it's done, too. Not wobbly. So that's basically it. You know, it's easy because you actually don't take it apart. So other videos you have to. So that's about all it. Go and check out my other video of how to keep your PlayStation 3 cooler. Like, it has fans, but how to keep it even cooler. And the proper, like, what I do, I just put a fan in the back. You know what? I'll show you in the next video, okay? So it might take a while, and sorry for not uploading videos. School has been, you know. So just check out the other video, and like and subscribe, okay? So bye. Peace out.